with meme. Approved. Half birthday approved. I don't know. Excellent argument. Approved.
Hey, Nux. Why are you in the mayor's office stamping bills into law?
I'm doing my civic duty. I'll grow up, Sonic. Civic.
Who's in charge here?
I am, and I'm doing a good job, too. See? What's the worst that could happen? See? No consequences. No time to read a list. Approved. Next, there's a lot of people waiting. You'll have to take a number. Approved. Look at you. You who were once so proud. Go now and never return. No. It's now illegal to use your finger to activate a weapon. No boomerangs, no hammers, no inventions, no spin attacks, no mayonnaise!
Knuckles, you've gone mad with power!
Oh, really? Well, would someone mad with power approve a law giving himself ultimate authority over everything?
That's the dictionary definition of mad with power!
I wish I could corroborate that, but it's illegal to check books out of the library. Huh?
Nice try, Knuckles, but I'm afraid your stamp is out of ink.
Nice work. Now destroy the stamp. Eggman?
I'm afraid there's been a slight change of plans. With this stamp, I now rule the village. First order of business, strip waste management of all vacation time. Memes.
Memes. It's now illegal to use your meme.
I'm afraid there's been a slight change of plans. With this stamp, I now rule the memes.
No meme! No meme! No meme! No meme! No meme! Would someone mad with power approve a law giving himself ultimate authority over memes? No memes! Memes! Excellent meme! Approved!
Why are you in the mayor's office stamping memes into law?
Half meme approved. This is an outrage, a travesty, a plukey pluck.
A plukey pluck?
I made that last one up. You said civic. I'm in. I guess I am. Next, what you got? You'll need to fill out a complaint form. I'd love to help you. Take a number.
Oh, wait, I can't read.
Meme. No longer. Okay.
Would someone mad with power approve a law giving himself ultimate authority over every meme? I wish I could corroborate that, but it's illegal to use your meme!
Me? Take a number.
Get him! By the way, I believe the proper pronunciation is meme. I guess to help you. By the way, I believe the proper pronunciation is library. I'm doing my meme duty. Excellent argument. Meme approved.
Oh, no!
This is unacceptable! Approved.
I'd like approval for a parade through town to celebrate my
Meme birthday approved.
I'd like approval for a parade through town to celebrate my half-birthday.
So close! I can't keep track of all of them. You'll have to take a number. Sticks, don't worry. You know someone on the inside now. Just write up a proposition and I'll ram it through.
The mayor's office just approved the new meme.
What are you doing?
The mayor's office just approved construction of a new mall. See?
I believe I outlawed those memes.
Knuckles, you gotta let us fight, or else Eggman's
Meme.
will be collected in a timely fashion?
I believe I outlawed those weapons.
Knuckles, you gotta let us fight, or else Eggman's trash will be collected in a timely fashion?
Oh!
No memes. No memes. No memes. No memes. No memes.